The Facet Guide, All You Need to Know About Wax Stops by Blamey Saunders Hears. Changing wax stops is an important step in the routine maintenance of your facet devices. Wax stops are tiny filters seated in the tip of the speakers. Over time, wax buildup can cause the sound of the device to become soft, or it can block the sound altogether. Replacement wax stops come in this small case. There's 8 in a pack. You will receive one of these in your original package. To change your wax stop, start by removing a replacement wax stop stick from the case. Note there is a fresh replacement wax stop on one end and a removal prong on the other end. Before changing a wax stop, you'll need to remove your ear tip. Next, insert the removal prong. It will click in, then you can pull it out. Turn the stick around and insert the fresh wax stop. Make sure it's pushed in all the way. Then you can put the ear tip back on and you're all done. Used wax stops should simply be disposed of in the bin. If you're running out of wax stops, simply order some more by heading to our website or giving us a call. Many people ask, how often should I be doing this? Everyone is different and you'll need to check for wax buildup daily. It should be changed whenever your wax stop becomes dirty or blocked. If you're unsure, change it every 1 to 2 months as a general rule of thumb. Or speak to a Blamey Saunders consultant about your specific needs and requirements. We hope you enjoyed this video. For more info on how to get the most out of your hearing aids, head to blameysaunders.com.au or call us on 1300 443 279. Thanks for watching.